Back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then welcome. Today we're gonna create this rock style inspired hair updo that I saw is so popular now. So let's get started.
So we'll begin by brushing all our hair backwards, and then we want to select our side section, creating a round parting like I'm showing here on both sides, and clip them away for later. Now we want to grab our front section. This will be our puff, and we will tie it with a clear elastic. Make sure to pull the hair out to make it nice and voluminous looking. And then you want to select two sections from both sides of our first ponytail and tie them over our ponytail like I'm showing here with a clear elastic as well, like that. Because I feel like my first elastic doesn't feel secure, I decided to use a bobby pin to pin it in place right in the center of my head. Make sure to pull the hair from second ponytail. Now I want to grab two equal sections from both sides of our second ponytail and make over second one third ponytail. I hope that this makes sense. This way we can create this fluffy and mohawk style bun. So we want to continue by grabbing our side section and tie our ponytail over previous one. Make sure to pull every single ponytail to make it full and voluminous like I'm showing here. Then when we are reaching the nape of our neck, we want to tie all our hair using an elastic like that. Then you want to release our side section, brush them well, and smoothing it out, you want to pin it in the back over our last elastic, and repeat on other side as well. Then we want to grab all the hair left and twist it lightly, creating a bun shape. Make sure to use grips and bobby pins to fix it in place. I like this relaxed and fluffy bun style, so that's why I'm always pulling the hair. Also, I'll use some hairspray to fix all my hair in place. You're basically done!
I hope that you enjoyed this trendy hairstyle. If you do, don't forget about thumbs up. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button, because this is very important for me as a YouTuber. Also guys, tell me please in comments down below what kind of videos you'd like me more to make. So I'm so inspired and I want to see what you really want to see on this channel. And guys, love you so much and see you soon in my next tutorial. Mwah!